Hi, I'm Faye, a dancer at National Dance Company Wales. We can't wait to welcome you to our performance of Zoetrope. I'm going to teach you a couple of moves from the show. So first, you start with your feet turned out like this in a V shape. And you've got your arms up here in a really angular shape with your fingers facing down towards the floor. So this is our first position. And this is our second position. So my knees are bent now. They are facing out in that V shape that I described earlier. And my arms are outstretched, making another upside down V shape. So this is our first position, and this is our second position. We're going to do the first position and the second position 3 times. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 3 sets. And you've noticed that I'm counting from 1 to 8 and then back to 1 again. This is how I'm going to count for the whole thing. So after we're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 4 quick bounces. 5, 6, 7, 8. As if you've got water on your fingers and you're trying to shake them off. So back to the beginning, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quick shakes. And then you're going to put your hands into fists onto your waist. You're going to tilt your head over to your left side, and you're going to pick up your right foot and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 quick bounces again, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat the walking to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just from the top to recap, you're going to be up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Well done. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to put our feet together and our arms really narrow together like this, and we're going to make a wave for 8 counts. So I'll count from 1 to 8, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 8, we stand up straight like this. The very, very last thing, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Oh yeah, we're going to go shake 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So these shakes, you jump on the spot and you let your hands and your wrists flop like this, and you let your head flop as well for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You can pretend as if someone's just walked into the room to see you're shaking and you're like, oh no, and you freeze for 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end. So a quick recap from the top, and then we're going to do it with music. So first we start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third time. 2, 3, 4. Quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We wave. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shake. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Freeze. 7, 8. And that's it for the phrase. So let's try it with music now. And I'm going to count you in. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll start, okay? And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a walk. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake! And down. And that's it. Well done. Have a practice, and we look forward to seeing how you do it when you come here to watch Zoetrope.